Now, one of the things you might have to do once you have your skirt all cut out is I like to fold it in half and just make sure I double check that it's going to be even all the way around. And sometimes you may have to trim it. I'm not quite sure why this happens, but once again, I'm not a professional seamstress, but I know how to make something look good and look right the way you want it. Um, See, even with the yellow one, you have kind of the same thing. You're gonna have to trim it a little bit, but this trim also will depend upon how you're gonna what you're gonna do for the edging. Um, Now here's one where I went ahead and I put in the elastic and I'm getting ready to do the trim,